Welcome to the introduction of MongoDB Compass. MongoDB Compass is your visual database tool. This presentation will provide an introduction to MongoDB Compass, a graphical user interface or GUI, for database management and visualization. So, what exactly is MongoDB Compass? First, it is a visual interface. It provides a graphical user interface for MongoDB, offering an intuitive way to interact with your database. You can use it without the complexities of the command line. Second, it is a database management tool. It is a complete toolkit for exploring, querying, and managing MongoDB databases, providing real-time performance insights. Let's explore some of the key features of MongoDB Compass. It includes a visual query builder, allowing you to construct queries using intuitive forms and filters. It offers performance monitoring, providing real-time insights into your database's performance. Compass provides schema visualization, enabling you to understand your document structure at a glance. Finally, it has index management capabilities, allowing you to create and optimize indexes visually. Let's get started with MongoDB Compass. First, you need to install it. You can download MongoDB Compass from the official MongoDB website and install it on your system. Next, connect to your MongoDB instance using either a connection string or by manually filling in the connection details. A typical connection string looks like this: mongob //localhost 27017. This indicates that your MongoDB instance is running on your local machine on port 27017. Let's take a quick look at the MongoDB Compass interface. On the left, you'll find the sidebar, which provides access to various sections such as databases, collections, performance monitoring, indexes, and validation rules. At the top, you'll see the connection details, indicating the MongoDB instance you are connected to, such as localhost on port 27017. The main workspace is divided into sections for database exploration and management, a query builder for visually constructing queries, and a results panel for viewing and editing documents. Let's explore some basic operations you can perform with MongoDB Compass. First, finding documents. You can search and filter documents using the visual query builder with queries like left brace ? Status ? Colon ? Active ? Right brace. Second, inserting documents. You can add new documents directly through the JSON editor interface with data like left brace ? Name ? Colon ? John ? Comma ? Age ? 30 right brace. Now let's delve into some of the advanced features offered by MongoDB Compass. It includes data visualization capabilities, allowing you to create charts and graphs from your data with interactive charts, real-time updates, and export capabilities. It has an aggregation pipeline builder, enabling you to build complex data transformations visually, with a stage-by-stage builder, preview results, and export to code functionality. Let's recap the benefits of using MongoDB Compass and discuss your next steps. Why use Compass? It offers a user-friendly interface, eliminates the need for command line interactions, provides real-time insights, and delivers powerful visualization capabilities. To get started today, download MongoDB Compass and explore your data with confidence. Click the button that says Start Exploring. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.